Hello, today I'm going to show you the 8 things that will make your scooter a lot faster, and in this video I'm going to show you how. Okay, today we're going to talk about GY6 motor and how you can make your motor a lot faster. There is few tricks that you can do, about 8 tricks, little things that you can change. First of all, this is a 150cc GY6 motor right here. In the front part you're going to have the CVT variator right here, the CVT cover, and inside you're going to have the variator right here. That's on the left side. Behind the variator you're going to have a little weights. Okay, those weights, they really help you out to open up the variator and close the variator to allow the motor and the transmission to go a little faster and raise the RPM. Now, if you change those little weights, those are the weight rollers. These ones will change the RPM of your variator, so your variator will open up a lot faster. Okay, so opening up a lot faster, you're gonna raise your RPM, and it's gonna spin a lot faster because it's going to have a lighter weight. Now, my suggested weight to have a little more RPM will be like the 12 grams. Okay, I will place the 12 grams. Everybody has a different opinion. Everybody has a different taste. So you will find your own taste changing those grams right here. Those little weight. This one is one of the weight. Usually the new scooter comes sometimes with 19 grams. So 19 grams is a lot of weight. Now, if you put a lighter weight, you're gonna have more torque. Okay, you're gonna have a more start-up speed for your scooter, but you're gonna lose a little more in the head speed, at the top speed. Okay, so you're gonna lose a few miles in the top speed. Now that's something you can change to make your scooter faster. Something cheap. I'm going to put the link of the roller weight underneath the video so you can buy if you need the roller weight. This one is a really easy thing to do. I also have a video how to change the roller weight. Now, from the back side of your scooter, right here, you have the clutch. In the clutch, there is a lot of little things that you can change. You can change the main spring. You can change the little springs that are inside. Those are the ones that allow the shoes of the clutch in the back to open up. So if you put better quality shoes or better quality clutch inside, you're going to have a better performance with your scooter. Okay, that's something you can have in the back. Now, if you change those two things, you really want to have a high quality belt. This one is really important. You want to have a Kevlar belt, something that's going to be durable. Okay, because here, at the moment you have a slow speed. Later you're going to have a higher speed. Okay, the RPM is going to be higher. So you need to have something with better quality. So this one is something cheap. This one is a roller weight and the clutch in the back. You can change those things and make your scooter a little faster. You can feel a little change. Next thing you can change, you can reject the carburetor or you can buy a new carburetor. This one is 150cc GY6 carburetor. Usually these carburetors are 24 millimeter. Okay, so you can go to 28 millimeter NIBI carburetor without the automatic choke. That would be a lot better. Or what you can do, you can just open up this carburetor and you can reject this carburetor. Okay, the standard jets that are right inside, those are the main jet and the little jet. The pilot jet is the small one, the center one is the main jet. So to reject your carburetor is something really easy to do. You can find some video online. Soon I'm going to make a video how to reject your carburetor, and you need to give a little more juice to your scooter. Many companies, they use a really small jet, so you don't do too much pollution. You can keep down the scooter speed. The economy of the scooter is gonna be better if you have a smaller jet. But the problem is when you're going to change right here, the main jet, you're gonna have a lot of more performance, but in the same time, yes, you're gonna use more gas. Okay. Now at the same time, if you change your jet, you need to keep your balance with air mixture, with mixture air and gas, okay? So at the same time, if you reject the carburetor, you need to have a filter, high flow filter. These ones are filter that you can place in your scooter, and they're, you know, the aftermarket filter, and they work okay. So, but there is a little problem that right here, when you place the filter right here on top of your motor, you're going to have the frame, and it's going to bother you to put the little filter. So you're going to have a new elbow, usually the knee elbow. I have one video where I put the knee elbow on my scooter, and at that point the scooter is running a lot better, okay? So that's something else you can change. So we're talking about the main jet, the pilot jet, the air flow coming to the motor. At that point your motor really is going to become alive, really. It's going to have a little more power because you're giving more juice, you're giving more air. At the same time, your scooter is going to become more alive, okay? Now, another thing you should change is your coil right here, the coil of your spark plug. Now this one is really not going to give you a lot of more power. The coil, the CDI, the performance CDI, okay, and an iridium spark plug. Those spark plug and their CDI, and together with the coil and the wire and a nice spark plug, at that point will give you a better spark. So at that point, when you have more gas, more air inside the combustion area of your motor, if you have a better spark, at that point the spark, boom, you're gonna find a lot of fuel, a lot of air, so it will give you a better performance. Really will not give you more speed, but will give you better performance, okay? That's something else to consider, to think about it. To change all those little things, your motor is going to run a lot better. It's also going to run cooler, because you're going to have a better flow through your engine, okay? Now, something else you have to really change, if you change more, if you have more air, you have an air filter that is better combustion and gives you more air inside the motor, you need to find a way to get the air out from your motor, because if not, something like your motor is going to suffer because the air cannot go out. You need to have a better exhaust. The exhaust system on your scooter, I have this one right here, and it's a better flow, has a higher flow coming out, okay? So the exhaust system is something you really need. It's very important to have a nice exhaust system. Those are a few things you should change on your scooter to make your scooter more perform better, you know, to have a better quality speed, quality flow of the gas and everything, okay? So a lot of people has a lot of opinions how to make your scooter fast. Make your own opinion, okay? Try to change whatever you think you want to change to make your scooter faster, okay? But whatever makes you happy, that's what is going to be the best opinion, okay? Whatever makes you happy is going to be the best performance that you're going to have in your scooter. Now there is also people that change the head of the scooter, you know, the top hand, and they put 171 or higher, you know, big bore, changing the cylinder and everything. But I will not go there. And before even I change all this product, if I change all those things, I will not change the top hand of my scooter, okay? So there is one last performance that you can do with your scooter. You have to reinforce your frame of the scooter, because at that point your scooter is going to go faster than before. So any hole or any recessment that you're going to find on the street, your scooter, bang, is going to bang harder, okay? Now that's something you can change. You have to reinforce your motorcycle, you know, your scooter. If you change a lot of things, you have to change also the shock of your scooter, because at that point the shock, they're not going to handle anymore the street with a higher speed. So there is like a chain reaction when you change the speed of a scooter, okay? There is a chain reaction that you have to take care. Many scooters, they reach about 55, 60. If you change a lot of things, you can go to a 75, 85, okay? So you have to change also the gear. If you change the rear gear of your scooter and you put a better gear with a smaller gear in the back, the top gear, they will get you to 80 miles an hour. And we're talking about a lot of speed for a little scooter like that, with not really a lot of quality, okay? That's what you have to think about that, okay? So really, the last thing I want to tell you, that if you change a lot of performance product on your scooter, performance part, your scooter is not going to be street legal anymore. So keep an eye on your speed, don't get any tickets. Keep an eye on when you're driving the scooter. You know, it's not just the scooter that's going faster. You're going faster too with the scooter. So you need to adjust your riding. You're driving on the scooter, how you ride the scooter is a totally different way to ride the scooter high speed than to ride the scooter 40 miles an hour. So I want you to make sure you're gonna be safe. I didn't teach you anything. This video is just for entertainment only, okay? So if you like to change a lot of parts, keep an eye on your speed. Plus you can take tickets, plus you can take a lot of other problems, okay? So it's very dangerous to go at higher speed. At this moment, I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope I see you next time. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, I'm always here. And thank you. Thank you. Thank you.